Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is life hack number 4. I heard about this on the Mark Immelman podcast called On the Mark, and I thought it was pretty good to pass on to you guys, so here we go. Many of us have a lot of clothes in our closet, so this might be a good New Year's resolution to get rid of some of these. So here's a little hack I heard about. See how all of the coat hangers are hanging over this bar? So what we're going to do for a New Year's resolution is we're going to go through and we're going to turn these around backwards for everything that we don't think that we wear on a regular basis. All right, so I'm going to zoom in here and let you see all of the clothes that I think I may not wear in 2023. The hangers are hung backwards. We've got quite a bit here. So the ones hanging forward I intend to wear, or I know that I have worn lately. So at the end of the season, what we'll do at the end of 2023, everything that's hanging backwards will be donated to clear out some of this closet. So I have the opportunity all year long. If I wear one of these, I will turn it around and hang it correctly. Hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed this life hack. If you want more information about Mark Immelman's On the Mark podcast, see the description. And if you decide to take this resolution, then add a comment so that we can get back in touch and see how we did in a year. Have a great day.